Hello everybody, I'm Caleb here again from binaryPBX. Today I have a very nice unboxing and setup video. Sangoma recently introduced their DECT line of phones. You have the DB20N base and the DB10 handset and charger kit. Just got these in from our supplier, so I'm going to unbox them and set them up for you guys. We'll start with the base. Comes out of the box. You have a additional base station information, safety information. The actual base with the Sangoma logo on it. Take this out. Looks nice. It has a reset, a Ethernet, and a power. Also in the box is the power brick and the power Ethernet cord. Taking the power brick out of the box here. Nice and small. Looks like the standard Sangoma power supply unit. Going to unwrap this so I can get it plugged in. Just plug it into both Ethernet and power there. This is the handset and charger set. Open this box up. First you have the handset, nice and small, about the size of my hand. The batteries do not ship inside of it. Also in here you have, let's see what else is in here. You have a international power plug, I don't need that. US power plug. And another international power plug. Very nice of Sangoma to include that. Another additional handset information on the D10. And I assume in this part of the box, it's going to be the base and the attached power supply. This base is very nice. Nice and silver. A bit of grain there if you guys can see that. And we'll take the battery and battery back off. I'm very excited for this phone because I'm really anxious to try it out and see how it works in comparison to the Yay links. They're out there. Just have to remove the plastic on the batteries. Hopefully I didn't open them. Put the one battery in. And the other one in. Let's see if they have any charge in them. And they do. So you have a nice Sangoma splash screen with the time. Plug the power base in. Put on the actual adapter here. Plug the power base in. And the phone sits right on top there. Makes a nice little noise so you know that it's charging. Let's see if it has a... Just going through the settings here. Has a lot of different settings. Let's see if it has an access code on it. Well, it seems like... Oh, I just pressed OK and now it says it's registering. It seems like I may have to do a bit of research on how to get this working with the EndPoint Manager and get it set up, and then expect a lot more videos on this, including a range test and a call quality test. If you have any other questions about this Sangoma phone or any other FreePBX equipment, feel free to email us or give us a call.